Hello YouTubers and SSG followers. So this is my random experiment. Before I start my charging procedure, I should say this is not another Unity system. And let me go through my batteries. On this side you have a battery with in pretty bad shape. It's showing like 5.88 volts. It's a sealed lead acid batteries, and I will show you all the things. Like, let me just bring light to not. Sometimes it's not working well, but sometimes you need to think this all through. So let me check it. Let me check it. Okay, now you get the picture. So this is my very bad battery. I do not hope to get any results. This is a sealed lead acid battery. This is my 12 volt 20 amp hour battery. So here's the values. 26 amp hour, sorry, 26 amp hour battery. This is the voltage 11.75, and let's run the system. I switch on the circuit. I switch on the circuitry, and now, as you can see, the system is not started. I need to move the wheel with my hand, so it's not self-running system. For the people who don't know, I start my system, and immediately voltage. Sorry, and I put better light like this. Yeah, nice. 6.08. So the watch is starting to climb on this junk battery, but I do not hope to get any results with this junk battery because it is in a pretty bad shape. And the sealed lead acid battery is always always not suitable for this type of the experiment. I mean, some good batteries may be, but I not saw such batteries where you can charge with very good charge on with each when you use the BDD circuitry. So take it or leave it. This is how it runs, and this is the voltage which I am getting on the charging battery. Now I will show you the primary battery. It's running on the 11.74. It's very low voltage too, but it's still enough to run the system. Maybe of the capacity of the primary battery, I'm not sure. But you see, voltage climbing, and it's getting higher and higher, but not very fast. It takes time to charge the battery to the proper values. So let me show other things, and once again I stay following on record. I'm charging my battery not with a DC current, but with a short and many powerful impulses which produced by my BDD circuitry. And then I disconnect one of the connections to the circuitry which I have here. Then immediately this bulb light on. So you see, this is you actually observing the energy which is in the impulses, and these impulses lighting on neon lamps which normally running on the voltage level of 230 volts. So nothing special, but still interesting. And you see clearly here that voltage is not goes on, so I need to connect this circuitry to charge my battery. And I do this like this, and immediately you see the voltage of my charging battery rising and rising. Yeah. So here you go. You can charge your battery with a radiant type of impulses, but it takes time to actually how I should put to actually move the ions which are on the battery plates. And some batteries are not recoverable because of the high level of sulfatation, because of the broken parts from the lead plates. So not each battery can be recovered anyway. So take it or leave it, but I on the record say following, that I am charging my battery with the Bedini SSG circuitry by producing a lot of powerful radiant type impulses, short timed impulses. And you saw my picture in my previous video of my oscilloscope, but this is actually what I'm observing. And the system is not an over unity system. The system stopped to work when my primary battery do not produce any current. So it takes it consumes it takes real energy to run the system. So nothing is for free anyway, but you can charge your battery with the radiant type impulses. And this is actually my goal, to show everybody that you can produce radiant type impulses, and you can in practical way use this type of energy. But it takes just some circuitry, simple circuitry, and a proper battery which you can use in your experiment. So anyway, battery is charging. I hope it can be charged to the highest voltage level possible. I do not promise this because I know this type of the batteries, and they are always bad case, So anyway, thank you all for watching this, and I hope to show you my 20 charging procedure. This will be like last charging videos, I mean for this 20 procedures which I recorded. And the next thing will be like to see if I can charge my other battery with a battery which I previously charged by the Bedini, and which I previously charged to the full capacity. But this happens only after I done 20 charging procedure, and I hope it happens sooner than later. So thank you all for watching this, and see you later. Bye bye.